Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a week in my hair routine. This is the first, this is the first day of my hairstyle that I'm going to be doing, which is just a wash and go. Slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other. Heavy teasing all day and to wash my hair, all I did is use the New Moon and Awakening shampoo, which is from the Nourished by Shawnta line. This shampoo is absolutely amazing. You guys have seen me use this shampoo in my wash day routine video. Not gonna do a whole entire wash day for you guys on the first day, so it's technically going to be the second, third, fourth, fifth day that I'm going to be showing you guys. But I have a full wash day routine on my channel, which I'll have linked on this video or in the description box down below. I also used our newly formulated 2-in-1 Angelic Coco conditioner, and I used that for the deep conditioning process as well as my conditioner and leave-ins. It was very quick, very straight to the point and simple. And yeah, this is the first day of everything, and now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the second day. Okay, so it's the next day. I got in the shower. My hair kind of got wet in the shower, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna go ahead and take it down. This is the way I wear my hair to sleep. Sometimes I put on a silk scarf, but most of the time I just sleep on a silk pillowcase. So go ahead and take my hair down. You can see my hair doesn't look bad. It's only the second day. My hair gets bigger as the days go on. Only thing is that my ends feel a little bit dry, and also I need to do something to my edges, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Angelic Coco No Separation 2-in-1 conditioner, which is infused with so many amazing ingredients like hemp seed oil, sal palomento. I don't know if I said it right. I'll have it here on the screen because it's a natural DHT blocker, which can also help with preventing hair loss. And it also has sweet watergrass in it, as well as Native American herbs in here as well. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and put it on my hair. I'm just gonna put it on my ends because that's the only part of my hair that needs a little bit of moisture and product. The rest of my hair, the product is still in here. Yeah, the product is still in the rest of my hair, so I'm not gonna do too much to put the product on my hair, because you don't want to put too much product on your hair if it doesn't need it, because it's just going to create a lot of buildup. So that's why I just put it on my ends. By the way, I did spray my hair a little bit with water off camera before I started to apply the products. That's very important. So make sure that you spray your hair with water before you start to put on any type of product. I'm just going to get my edges here because I'm going to put a little bit of edge control. Okay, so this is my hair for the second day. Hopefully it's showing up really good on camera. I'm not really for sure how it's showing and appearing on camera, but my hair looks a lot bigger than it did yesterday. I'll just put in a little clip of how my hair looked yesterday. So, yeah, I just pushed my hair back with a little bit of edge control, put a little bit of conditioner. The last thing that I like to do is take a little bit of the Nourished by Shawnta Stimulating Scalp and Hair Oil, and I literally just take that and put it on my hair so that like all the moisture that I just put into my hair doesn't leave immediately, because it's cold outside and that's something that my hair struggles with. It's just like making sure that the moisture stays in. The oil, of course, is a sealing oil, so it keeps all the moisture in my hair. So yeah, this is the second day. We're gonna see if we can make it a third day because my hair is super fluffy right now. So we'll see. If we can't, we'll find some maneuvering technique. My hair, of course, looks way worse. Also, I slept on my hair last night. Got in the shower, it got wet. So we're gonna try to fix it up and see how much more we can get out of this wash and go. Since my hair feels extra dry today, well, not dry, but just like extra frizzy, I'm going to use a gel. So I'm going to use the Angelic Coco Clear Brush Jelly on my hair to kind of like get this frizz to, you know, subside a little bit. So when I spray my hair with water, I let it like kind of do its thing for a little bit. But I need to put the products on first. So I'm not gonna like run my hands or anything through it because that just creates even more frizz for my hair type in particular. So I'm just gonna take some of the Clear Brush Jelly and start to put that on my hair. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more of my conditioner. So, trying to get rid of the frizz, so I'm just gonna scrunch as I put like gel on my hair. So now I'm going to take the As I Am Edge Control and put that on my hair. If you guys notice, on the second day I didn't add more edge control because I already had a lot of product in my hair. So third day the product is starting to leave my hair a little bit, so I'm going to add edge control. Going to take some of the growth oil and I'm going to put that on my hair again. Guys, we are on day 4 of our wash day routine, our wash and go hairstyle, and I just got done working out and my hair looks a little bit ruined. So I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to make it to day 4. I mean, like, oh my gosh, my hair got sweated out. I have been not doing it today, so I'm just surprised. I'll be surprised if this makes it to day 4. So day 3 was, or no, I'll be just surprised if it makes it to day 5 because this is day 4, right? So day 5 is tomorrow. It's probably gonna be the last day of this wash and go. So I didn't really show you guys like the routine of how my hair was for today because it was just the same thing I did yesterday, like that exact same process. I would just do today. So, and this is like the end of the night and my hair is really crazy looking. So tomorrow I'm going to use my conditioner, but I'm going to section my hair and like really try to get something out of the style. Also, I had my hair in a bun while I was working out, which is why it looks really, really crazy. But we're gonna try again on tomorrow. And we're going to see if we can revamp my curls. Even though it's a lot of frizz, like this is a lot of frizz, but I've had wash and goes like this before where I've had to do like projects or like do just different things for work, and I would revive it with the technique that I'm going to show you guys in the next clip. So. So as you guys see on day 5, I had to do a lot of fluffing, a lot more product than I used on the previous days. And I also had to curl a bit of curls like in certain places. I don't mind my hair not being like super curly on the last day because this is the last day I'm gonna have this wash and go in. But I do want to curl some curls like towards the front. That's why you see me do a little bit of curling in the front. Not too much though, and not too much manipulation because we do want to keep the routine very simple. For me, I like to keep the routine simple throughout the week. Not do too much since my wash days are kind of long. So I'm gonna allow my hair to dry a little bit. I'm not gonna be touching it too much, even though I'm touching a lot now, but I'm gonna let it to dry a little bit, and then I'll come back to show you guys the final product. Okay guys, so this is my hair when it dries up on day 5. So as you guys can see, like I said, my curls are there, but they're not like popping like they were on like day 2, but it's okay because it's the last day this week. So now I'm just gonna put like twists in my hair like on the 6th day. I could keep going if I wanted to, but I think that it would kind of be pointless to keep going because I'm going to twist my hair up for day 6, and then I'm just going to do my wash a day over. The longest that my wash and goes have lasted is like 10 days, but again, not in the mood for all. It's definitely going to be a good routine for you to do during the winter time if you're a person that likes to wear wash and goes. If you like to do protective styles, and of course you would, you know, do your style over each day. I can do a video on protective styles and how I do a week in my protective styles if you guys would like for me to do that. But this routine that I showed you guys today is definitely going to help with maintaining your hair growth with the products that we use, the techniques that we use as well. So hair growth, maintaining your hair, this is like the perfect go-to routine. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that this helped you get off on a right foot for the year of 2024, especially if you needed to get like a reminder to keep up with your routine, or you wanted to see ways on how to maintain your hair. Hopefully this video helped you guys. I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I would love to have you. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you guys like routines like this, because I don't think I've ever done a routine this way on my channel. So let me know if you like this format. Leave any suggestions that you may have that you want to see on my channel down below as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.